kit comes with this relay. It has a diagram on the side here. It's pretty self-explanatory. One post goes to V+, which would be the fuse box. One goes to negative, which would be the E terminal, which would be a ground, and the L, which would go to the switch. And on this setup, you tie in the wire from the light on the speedometer in with the wire that goes to the turn signal switch.
And there's the relay all mounted with a zip tie attaching it to the support post there.
And also a couple of these LED bulbs for the turn signals in the front. Okay, and here they are with them all installed. Go ahead and hit the brakes. Let out the brakes. Right hand turn signal. Can't really see it on video that it's flashing, but it is flashing. Okay, other side. Okay. And that's the LED tail light install on a 59 Beetle. I think they came out pretty good. They're pretty bright. The small bulbs that came with the kit, or I think he bought them separate, the small bulbs are super bright as well. You can see the license plate light, it's really bright. Thanks for watching.